Okay, I'm making this just to help me understand it more. But this is problem 3 on the homework. And I'm using the method where you only put the dy over dx. You don't get everything. Although you kind of do anyway. But so the first step that I'm going to take is just getting this side. You got to take a derivative of this side, which everyone should know how to do. Very simple. And then the other side, you have to first do the power rule, 3xy plus 1. And then you have to get you multiply that times the derivative of the inside. So 2 prime 1, or 1 prime 2, so 3x, and the derivative of 1y is just going to be 1. But then because it's y, you have to add a dy over dx. And anytime there's a y in any problem, then you got to do that. You have to add it's fine, use the same rules as the x, then you add the dy dx. And then add that to 2 prime 1. So y times derivative of 3x is just 3. And then I'm going to simplify that down a little bit. So I know this is simple enough. It's just 6xy plus 2. Keep that in brackets though. And then this would be 3x dy over dx plus 3y. Whatever, brackets, same thing. And then what I tried to do and then got it wrong was I just went ahead and divided by this on both sides and then divided by that, and it didn't work. And then I looked it up, and you gotta distribute this to all of these terms. So then you're gonna end up with a 6xy plus 2 times 3x dy over dx plus 6xy plus 2 times 3y. And then multiply that out simply enough. 6xy, did that wrong. Not simply enough. But either way, 18x squared y dy dx plus 6x dy dx plus 18xy plus 6y equals 6x squared. And then I'm looking at this, those are big numbers. They're all divisible by 6. So I'm just gonna divide everything by 6, and then you get x squared equals 3 x squared y dy dx plus x dy dx plus 3 xy plus y. And now you got to get your dy dx's on one side so you can factor them out. So I'm gonna subtract 3x squared y dy dx, and then subtract a minus x dy dx, and that equals, I'm going to subtract the x squared from this side, so negative x squared, and then plus 3xy plus y. And now at this point I'm going to factor out the dy dx. So dy dx times negative 3x squared y minus x, because it's just negative 3xy minus x divided x is out there now, equals, same thing, negative x squared plus 3xy plus y. And then I'm going to rewrite this, but up here, dy dx, negative 3x squared y minus x equals negative x squared plus 3x y plus y. And now, this times this, gotta get these alone, so we're gonna divide all of this by negative 3x squared y minus x. And then your answer should be negative x squared plus